Diri po sa imo ma'am.
Naato ni naog mo breakfast, di lang ko sure kung mabalik siya. Yan. So, I try to cover the whole travel.
Nanganaog na to
This
sila.
is 6 hours travel. I hope my internet will suffice and my battery will suffice also. So, if I ang dire should my internet and battery, Wi-Fi data and battery will suffice, then I will be able to cover the whole travel. So this is the terminal. So many kiosks for food and breakfast. So you can select whatever. So, thank you po, Mama Weng. Payback na lang ako pag nandun na ako sa amin. As of the moment, mahirap isa lang yung may data ko. Yung may support system is not connected with the data. Kaya mahirap So, yan, naka 1 hour na tayo, mga darling. Mahirap yung aking kasi part of the road, walang signal. Putol-putol yung signal. Yeah, yun. Reconnecting ako once in a while. But of course, actually, this is centralized terminal. At the same time, yata market ito ng Calamba Municipality of Calamba. Miss Zamboanga del Norte still in the Zamboanga del Norte region. Hindi pa ako nakatawid sa Misamis Occidental. Hindi na ako lumabas dahil tapos na ako ng breakfast. Before I left home, nag-breakfast na ako. Masarap magbili ng fruits, kaya lang mamahiya ka pa na naman ako magdala. So later, doon na lang ako sa city namin magbili ng fruits. While as of this moment, naghahanap ako ng boiled egg. Boiled egg will be fine for pagkain sa travel. But if my battery and my internet will not be able to suffice, then I will end up sometime later. Salamat sa support ninyo. Mama Weng, thank you so much.
Salubong sa mga karinti, gagaw, apo, pagumangkon, muron.
So,
Para malipay, ito sila dito, agasam niya, paghimagas, pagmadala,
sa lubong, sa moron. Suman na may halong chocolate. Actually, it is a rice suman. The one part of it is chocolate, one part of it is plain. So it's moron. Kaya hindi na ako bumibili kasi masyado ng food outside. Maselan. Kaya hindi na ako bumibili ng food outside. Thank you so much, everybody. 14 thumbs up. 1 participating now. Thank you so much.